Hey everyone, want to start buying and selling on Facebook Marketplace but don't see the option on your account yet? No worries, today I will show you how to activate Facebook Marketplace quickly in just a couple of minutes. Let's jump right in. First of all, check if Marketplace is available for you. Open your Facebook app on mobile or go to facebook.com on desktop. Look for the little shop icon on mobile. It's usually at the bottom or top menu. And on desktop, it's in the left sidebar like this. If you see it, congrats. Marketplace is already activated. If not, don't worry. Keep watching. Now enable marketplace notifications. On mobile, tap the menu, go to settings and privacy, then settings. Now click notifications and go to marketplace. On desktop, head to settings, privacy, settings, notifications, then find marketplace like this and toggle notification turn on. If marketplace still doesn't show, try clearing your Facebook cache on phone for Android. Go to settings, then apps, then Facebook, then storage, then clear cache. For iPhone, you might need to reinstall the app. Make sure your Facebook app is up to date. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and hit update if available. Sometimes older versions don't support Marketplace. Now log out and log back into your Facebook account. This simple refresh often fixes hidden bugs. And that's it. If Marketplace still doesn't appear, check your language settings or contact Facebook support. Now you are ready to explore, buy, and sell in your local community on Facebook Marketplace. Don't forget to create clear listings and stay safe when meeting buyers or sellers. Thanks for watching.